Hey everybody, it's Nick and Nick from MHFordRacing.com. Tomorrow, Saturday, February the 16th, right here at MH Ford, is our preseason sale and open house in our racing department. We've got everything in the store marked down, deals on everything. Come check it out and get the great deals. The first 30 paying customers coming through the door, you get a goodie bag with lots of great stuff in there.
Nick, what's in there?
There's some pretty good stuff there in here. You better be here early to get one of these.
First 30, correct?
First 30, and don't forget, for every $100 you spend, you get $10 in MH Ford Racing cash to use. Mel's Diner is going to be serving up a free lunch. We got a lot of cool race cars out here to look at, so make sure you come out and check us out.
A lot of cool race cars, a lot of good stuff. There's the store. Everybody be out here early at 8. Get registered up for the prizes. Guys, it's going to be a fun day, isn't it?
It's going to be great. The first prize is going to be big. It's going to be given away at 9 a.m., so make sure you get here early and sign up, and you'll have a chance to win everything we're giving away tomorrow.
All right, everybody. Everybody will see you out here at the Big Corner tomorrow from 8 to 4.
8 to 4.